So guys, I'm in the Sovereign Plaza and so guys, I'm at Progressive and I'm gonna pay for these groceries. Okay, I'll tell you the price in Jamaican. So guys, that is my bill at Progressive Foods in Portmore. And that's approximately, for today's date, according to Google, 17 Canadian dollars. $17 and some change Canadian for $2,099.85 Jamaican for the groceries I bought. So then I bought, what's this? Miss Birdie Twist. This is kind of like this honey bun with the jam in the middle, and this is raisin bread, purity wheat raisin bread, and coconut water. I want the coconut water, guys, in the, you know, the one from the tree, but I'm gonna taste this and see if it's really, as they say, 100%. 100% natural coconut water. Raisin bread is really good. Raisin bread is really good, guys. I'm gonna eat, and then after this I'm gonna try and go down to the pool and the beach. I was out all day, just got back, and it's time for me to have some me time, you know? Me time with my feet in the water and soak up the sun and enjoy the cool breeze. Coconut water tastes good. Taste is good, and this raisin bread. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Waiting for variety. Good. So this is like a raisin bread with the jam in the middle. Jamaican pastry. Thumbs up for this one. This is the what? It looks like the twist word. The twist word spelled backward. So it's a twist. Miss Birdie raisin, raisin donuts, everything in one. This is a honey bun. I had this morning. It's really good. So now, I'm gonna head down to the pool. Yummy sweets. Sometimes you have to treat yourself, guys. Treat yourself. Raisin bread. I love raisin bread. And this honey, this jam thing going on here. I miss these. I used to have these as kids growing up. Not this particular pastry, but donut with the jam in the middle. I really love them. In Jamaica, yeah. Guys, I'm walking down to the pool. Okay, let me turn the back of the camera. It's a bit late, but I'm going. Oh my. The view at night. I'm gonna go deep in the pool. Cold or no cold. See the pool there? See the pool there? See the pool? Oh, there are people here. There are people here. There are people here. It seems as if after sundown is the best time. I'm gonna be cold, but I'm going in. If it's even the kiddies pool, I'm going in. I am going in. This is the kiddies pool, but I'm going into the adults pool. I cannot swim, guys. Okay, so I have to make sure I'm at the shallow end. Look at the water. I can't swim, guys, so don't laugh at me. Okay. Alright, you guys stop it if you want. So guys, look at the beach at night. At the view, look at the waves, splish splash. This person has the beach view. Balcony is facing